Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. We're going to hop straight into this video. What we are diving into is a quick review on the BALVIN Jordan 3 Rio. Sorry for the delay. First things first, I'll say I was a little bit delayed with making this in-hand video. I do apologize. As you guys can see on the channel recently, there's just been a few other videos I've wanted to put out before directly, discussing these in hand. For example, the seller hold on these canaries, how to cop, just a couple other videos that could be beneficial. So, excuse me. So that's why these were a bit delayed. But yeah, we're going to get into it and discuss how nice this pair truly is in hand. Is it comparable to, again, the OG one, kind of the first BALVIN Jordan 3 they did, because they did two colorways of them. This is the second. Very, very nice. I'll say I'm very impressed by the leather. That's my first impression, but we'll get into everything. If y'all want to check me out, don't forget to subscribe and like. We're always doing in-hand content just like this, discussing sneakers, how to get them, where they're dropping, things like that, in-hand reviews, early reviews. So if that's what you're into, make sure you guys are staying tuned here, and just trying to 200 likes on this video. That's a simple goal. And let me know if you guys ended up copping a pair of the Rios. Your boy has not had any retail luck, but I did have some good luck sourcing them. So, I've actually been selling them a lot of them to you guys on IG recently. So, yeah, if anybody needs the Rios, hit me on my Instagram. I got a few left. Mainly like 10, 11. I actually sold my 13, so I don't have that left. But I know I got some 9s, things like that. Mainly 9, 10, 11, like the main sizes. The ones I had the most stock. There isn't many of these. So that's what I'm saying. I don't got many left. And of course, I got some Futurists. Just hit me on my IG if y'all need any. That is down below. Also posted some content there today, a new reel. So yeah, feel free to check me there. I'm occasionally posting stuff. Always on my story though. So that's it. Why don't we dive into discussing these in hand? So before we dive into, again, the sneaker up close, some details, I'll definitely get into some B-roll shots later in this video, kind of showing, some of the details up close, kind of out there in the sun, because it's a really nice day outside. I should have filmed this outside, but sprinklers are going, so I'm not going to get wet for the video, you know what I mean? I ain't filming a video at the water park. But of course, typical things we can start off this video with. So when it came down to the box, so first things first, we just had, again, box sleeve, normal thing it came with. Then, of course, the box lid. Y'all can see that right here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Pretty much the exact same as the last one. From what I can tell, there's nothing that is different. And also, again, then the box, which I will show y'all, again, like the tag, everything here. So I just got like a size 10 right here. This is just my personal one I'm just keeping. So as you guys can see, I did pay resale on these. Y'all also can see the retail store tag on them. Shout out to Union. So yeah, something right there. But I didn't pay retail on these. I paid resale on them. So shout out to whoever got them, for retail. Pretty cool that you copped them in store like that. I wish I was you. But, yeah, maybe I'll end up getting a retail dub on one of these smaller sizes, something like that. Again, still had some decent luck on them, so no complaints over here. But, especially since I got my personal size still. But getting into these up close, what we are going to mention, first things first, that kind of, fade to sunset look. I know these aren't called the Medellin sunsets, but you can kind of see they're still going with that, kind of same theme where, sunrise and then sunset. So that's really what we got going on by the heel. Pretty, something I can at least compare it, to the OGs, with, I guess, or two, it's comparable in that, feature. Sorry for being a bit sporadic there, but also these come with some bright orange laces. I think these could actually work, because keep in mind, a lot of the sneaker has some orange on it. The size tag, which is on the inside, of the tongue tag right there. Also, again, you got the orange on, the kind of fade to sunset look here. And then, again, all over the sole, this whole, kind of translucent see-through sole. Again, I'm always rocking with this. You put this on a shoe, I'm copping, you know what I mean? I'm rocking with something like this, and I'm just kind of checking this out. Oh, okay, so this is just, the kind of like the sole coming through a little bit there. It doesn't actually look, fully like that, kind of when you back it up, just still kind of has that all orange look. Really sick though. Still, this is a pair of that. Yeah, I would definitely add to the personal collection. Like, this is just my personal size, so I might end up towing these. We will see. Maybe there'll be an on foot video, in the next couple days on the channel. But also, again, that BALVIN logo we got right there. Keep that in mind. I'll definitely make sure I take the other pair out right now. I want to show you all this with the box wrapping paper, also exact same as the last BALVINs. There's nothing different, kind of that elephant print box too. Pretty cool. I like that. I think they should continue to do that. But, we got their next focus. I don't think they're going to do another Jordan 3. They might, because, again, they've just been selling so well. Wouldn't be surprised if they went, for a third colorway. But I think that, they're going to be looking to maybe, move on to their Jordan 4 they were discussing, which is something that's coming up for the BALVINs. Are going to be doing a Jordan 4 there. But those would be really hard to get. I'm 100% certain on that. But aside from that, you guys can see the BALVIN hang tag, kind of that all red. Same with that fade to sunset look going all around right there. And then I want to show you all, this is one of my favorite parts of the sneaker, this heel portion right here. the Nike Air, and then again the J Balvin logo. And you guys can see we got kind of this plastic right here. I don't know if this normally is there. Maybe the union workers just placed it there, but this is again to prevent the back of the tongue tag right here from rubbing up against because these are still a brand new pair, from rubbing up against kind of the heel right here. But obviously if I was wearing these, I would just remove this. I wouldn't wear it with that part still. But yeah, soles still super dope. Probably one of my favorite parts also, aside from this right here. I just think these are really cool. Like, this is a very well done collaboration. I want to show you guys also, let me set this pair down right here. I want to show you guys the leather up close on these. It is so nice. Like, this just looks like it'll be comfortable. You know what I mean? Like, it's just very, very soft leather. So one of those pairs that just Nike did a great job on, and it's on a Jordan 3, which people love threes. Also got the elephant print right there, back by the heel, right there, and right here as well. And then again, Mr. Balvin, his logo right there. And then again, the gold Jumpman, which is embroidered on the tongue tag as well, so you guys can kind of see how that looks on the sneaker. Really cool, really kind of subtle look. It's just a pair that, even though I paid resale on them, I'm cool with it, because, it turns out, even though I paid resale, on my personal size right here, and for, some of the other ones I sourced, right, prices went up, so I ended up, it ended up being a good buy, and, the pairs that I ended up getting in. So, happy about that. And, happy that this is just such a cool shoe in hand. Like, I'm definitely, this is probably going to end up on my feet. That's just one of the main things I can say. I wish I had, kind of like a, like GoPro view of this shoe right here. It's just super cool, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Here, I'll try and, like show the view I had there. But it's just a really nice shoe, you know what I mean? So, Nike did a great job. J Balvin, really good job on the threes. Personally, I like these more than the Medellin Sunsets. Maybe that's a stretch, but that's, again, my personal opinion and view on these. So, yeah, again, really cool. Just kind of, up close, in-hand review on these. So that's what I can say about them. And, yeah, why don't we get into showing you guys some of the up-close B-roll shots of these, because I said I wanted to do that. Show you guys, again, what these may look like, with some nice lighting outdoors. I got that right now, so why don't we do that? I'm going to do some little B-roll, and then we'll head into the outro after that. Don't want to keep it too long for you guys, but why don't we do that for, again, this beautiful pair of J Balvin Jordan 3. Let me tuck that in. The Rios. Really like them. Anyways, guys, if y'all want more sneaker content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And again, let me know if you ended up hitting a pair of these for retail. If anybody's selling their pair, hit me on IG. I will most definitely be buying these towards the end of this week. If anybody's waiting until then, if not, just hit me up, because I'm interested in getting these just because they're a little bit lower stock. I want a few more to hold on to, and it's such a sick pair too, Like, I have to admit, they did a great job for, a Jordan 3. And, like, I'm not saying Jordan 3s normally don't have good collaborations, but they really stood out with this one right here, and I think it'll definitely age well for that reason. So that's what I can mention about it. Let me know your thoughts on this pair in the comments. I'm interested to hear. Stay tuned for the, I'll have another video up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably be something like an upcoming drop or some leaks, sneaker news. I'll have some sort of topics, so stay tuned on that. And yeah, check me out on my IGs. Again, if y'all want to buy, sell, trade with me, hit me up. I got some Futuras for sale. I got some J Balvins for sale still. So anybody interested, also got some Canary Yellows. So if anybody needs Canary Yellow, Travis, I had those 3 releases recently. So anybody interested, let me know your size, and I'll be sure to get you right. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys, and I will catch you on the next video, which should be tomorrow. So don't miss out on that. And let me know your thoughts on this beautiful shoe right here. Did you cop or did you not? Did you pass? I totally understand if you passed. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't miss out on that. See you then. Peace. Sticks made a fucking hit.